have Chris Camp, CEO of Aquamaster Water Treatment Limited, a water treatment specialist, with us today. You know, I find it fascinating how many businesses don't realise the impact that hard water has on their operations until it's too late. Have you ever walked into a hotel bathroom and seen those nasty limescale deposits on the shower heads?
Oh, absolutely. Aesthetics are just one part of it. I mean, we're discussing serious operational threats here. Those calcium and magnesium minerals can cause significant damage to plumbing systems, restrict water flow, and significantly increase energy costs.
Right. And that's where the whole debate about single vessel versus duplex water softeners comes in. You know, I've seen businesses struggle with this decision.
Mm-hmm. It's a vital choice, especially for places like hotels and universities that can't afford interruptions in their soft water supply. The single-vessel systems, like the Fleck 2750 or 2900, they do the job, but there's always that downtime issue during regeneration.
Could you break down the main difference between these two approaches for our listeners?
Sure, think of it this way. With a single-vessel system, you're basically forcing your business to take a 1 to 2 hour break whenever the system needs to regenerate, especially if the system is regenerated on volume demand. This is because hard water is provided to the hot and cold water services all the time the softener is regenerating. It's like having to close your restaurant during lunch rush.
That's a great point. We'll come back to that in just a moment. But first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Aquamaster Water Treatment Limited has been delivering expert water treatment solutions since 1975. Based in Wimbledon near March, Cambridgeshire, we serve businesses across East Anglia, Norfolk, Cambridgeshire, Bedfordshire, Hertfordshire, and Essex. With decades of experience and professional certifications, we ensure your business never has to worry about hard water problems again. Visit us at www.aquamasterwater.co.uk to learn more.
And we're back. You know, speaking of commercial solutions, what's your take on these newer duplex systems?
Now that's where things get interesting. The duplex systems like the Clack WS1 and the Clack WS2 are truly transformative. You've got two tanks working in alternating sequence, so when one tank is regenerating, the other one still supplies soft water.
Interesting. But I have to ask, is the extra investment worth it for most businesses?
You know what? When you look at the long-term operational savings, it really is. I mean, we're talking about 30 to 40% higher initial investment, but the returns come through reduced downtime, more efficient salt usage, and better protection for expensive equipment.
That makes a ton of sense. And what about maintenance? I imagine there's a difference there too.
No, not really. With single-vessel systems and duplex units, there is normally a bypass valve that can be turned off to allow for maintenance and service work. So on that front, they are both the same as regards maintenance.
Have you noticed any trends in what businesses are choosing these days?
You know, it's interesting. There's been a significant shift toward the Clack WS1 and WS2 duplex systems. They're becoming the go-to choice, especially after some quality control issues with older models like the Fleck 9000 and 9500 series.
What would you say to a business owner who's on the fence about making this decision?
I'd tell them to consider three things. First, how critical is uninterrupted soft water to their operation? Second, what's their peak water demand? And third, are they planning for growth? Because duplex systems give you that built-in scalability that single-vessel systems just can't match.
That's really helpful advice. For our listeners who want to learn more about commercial water softening solutions, where should they go?
I definitely recommend visiting aquamasterwater.co.uk. They've got decades of experience in this field and can help businesses find the perfect solution for their specific needs.
Perfect. Thanks for sharing your expertise with us today. To our listeners, please like, subscribe, and visit aquamasterwater.co.uk for your commercial water treatment needs.